Hello. Tonight we cook outside on a barbecue and we make clams. I got the clams over here and I put all the ingredients inside. And look this. Okay, the barbecue, it's almost 500 degrees. And let's start to do on a barbecue and we put the clams.
Tell what you put inside.
Now, on the clams I got over here, I got a parsley, I got a butter, I got a little oil, flake hot pepper, garlic, salt, and black pepper. And I got here flake hot pepper. And we got everything over here. Now, the start, we got to put it right over here. And what I did, I want to keep all the juice. And I did like this. I put the pots over here.
Hello, everybody.
Look at that. Okay. And let's close. Oh, and we got the helicopter. Look how beautiful now. Look. Okay. Now the time this you gotta cook, I want to make orange mojito. It got everything right over here. Now, on this, what I need the sugar. And I put the sugar like this.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in.
I put both sides of sugar. And I want to squeeze a little bit. I got the orange inside. And the sugar. And I got a little mint. And I squeeze this too. And we make a nice drink outside over here.
The mint smells so good.
Okay, the mint is so really good. Now what I need, I got this orange. I was squeezing 2 orange, and we split this over here. Okay, a little bit more over here. All right. And now we got ice over here, and we put the ice. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot something inside the house. Boy.
What do you forget?
Okay.
No, we use vodka.
Okay, now I forgot something. I gotta go pick it
You
up.
gotta put more ice, Pascal.
Yeah, put more ice.
What do you forget?
The water.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for your support and for the stars.
Okay. Yeah, I squeeze a little bit over here. But I forgot the water. I gotta go pick it up.
Yeah, we're getting good potassium tonight. Yeah, we have vodka. Hello, Richard. Thank you so much for watching with your wife. We did little different. Yeah, this is flowers from the garden. Thank you so much for your support, everyone. And thank you so much for watching us again.
Okay, I got it.
The garden's doing good. Thank you.
Okay, let me check the clams now before we do something else.
Oh, they start open up already.
Okay, look how beautiful.
Oh, maybe you gotta take it out or almost.
Huh?
Yep.
Okay, know what I do now?
Billy said don't touch the pot.
No. Okay, what I do, I turn off the gas.
The bread, Pascal.
It's okay. Yeah, I gotta toast this bread over here.
I know it's because it's very hot, so it goes really fast.
Okay, and we close. And now we gotta finish over here. I got the vodka.
You gotta put more ice cube.
I did it. I did already. Got so many ice. Put more mint.
Put the orange slice over there you have.
Okay. Yeah, I got the orange slice over here, one over here, one over here.
I know it's almost end of August.
Another vodka. Okay. One. And one. And now we pour little.
Yeah, from the garden. If you want some, we can send it to you.
Okay.
We have so much mint. It's growing like crazy.
All right. And now.
Thank you, Debbie.
Little Cincine salute. Cincine salute. Thank you so much for the support and thank you for the stuff. Cincine salute. Really good.
Mix my, I want to test too little.
Especially outside, it tastes much better.
I know.
Okay. All right. Now, let's check the clams. All right. I want to do the clams now. Oh,
It's
look
really
how
good.
beautiful.
Really good.
And the bread, look at this. Nice. Huh?
Yeah.
Look at the clams. Huh?
Yep. Beautiful.
Like I say, okay. And we close, but I take one of the bread and make sure do not touch the handle. Thank you very much, Bill. Okay.
But you see how fast he was ago?
Look at that.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Really good. A dip little bread and broth or soup.
This is really quick, Debbie. 1, 2, 3, it's done. When you have the barbecue hot, and it's really different taste.
The barbecue was 500 degrees. See up first, you put the pots. You know, we did on the grill, but you lose all the water for the clams. I said, well, today we want to try this one. It come out really good. You got all the juice, the garlic, everything together. Not you lose. Cincine salute, and we see next time.
You put wine in the...
Yes, oh yeah, put white wine too.
Tell everything what you did exactly.
Yeah, okay, I was washing good, the salt and black pepper, garlic, parsley, and wine. Everything together. And I put butter, a little drop of the oil. Okay? It come out really, really good. Cincine salute, and thank you again for the support, thank you for the stuff. I hope somebody make it come out really, really good. Cincine salute.
This is like a short video.
But the drink, it's delicious. Thank you.
Yeah, you put hot pepper too.
Yeah, flake, I say flake hot pepper. Yes. I put it.
Okay, thank you everyone, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you very much. No way. No. Okay, thank you.